Yes, it's absolute madness out here. It's absolute chaotic. I'm telling you what, I got to advise you, right? If you're gonna come to Dar es Salaam and think you're gonna drive straight away, you got another thing coming, mate. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. It's like they got these sort of like bikes, motorbikes, and them people, I tell you what, mate, I bet you they practice. Actually, this is true. They said to me, what they do is they practice for like a day, and then they think they're all right to go on the road and start riding the bikes. It's crazy. It's like India. Do you know what I mean? It's like, obviously it's not as bad as India, but you know, it's getting there. Seriously, it's giving India competition, mate. Do you know, everyone's driving like whatever. Do you know what I mean? I was thinking about driving. I thought, oh, you know what? I'll come down here, right? I'll get a hire car or something, and you know, I'll be driving around myself, whatever, innit? But it's not gonna happen. Do you know, it's crazy. I've seen flipping people having accident right in front of me. It's nuts. It's like, there's no rule. Do you know what I mean? It's a flipping jungle out here, man. But I suppose that's how all the countries, you know what I mean, like start. They start like that. They can't become. You got go through that, the chaotic side of things. You know what I mean? Before you actually, you know, so the country moves up in a level. Do you know what I mean? You can see all the countries used to be exactly the same. That's my opinion, anyway. But yeah, anyway, look at that out there. I'll have to get out on the balcony or something. You know what I mean? So you can have a better view. Then let's have a look. Come this way. What's happening here? Oh, these netting. No, you can't really see properly.